Hello from Slovenia again. Sorry for my messy cup, but I'm reusing things before I will buy new ones. You know? Yeah. And today I want to do kind of a straight pour from up high and then come closer and do some jiggles and maybe rack. I don't know. I just have some plans. We will see how it will go. I will start with this submarine, these little piggy pigments, and this is cadmium orange, and this is this little piggy pigments, golden peach, and I will add a little bit of white here. This is just white. And then I will add 24K gold, just use it up, and magenta, and here I will add a little bit of pearl white, and I will pour pearl white for my base, and ultramarine blue. And some greenish blue and some aqua flash, and I will top it up with Prussian blue by Amsterdam. This one looked a little thicker, I don't know. Okay, my kind of base flow extender to create a little more effects, even maybe, hopefully. Okay. Just spread it out a little bit. Okie doke. And as I said, I will go pour from up high, about probably 12-inch high, and then I will come closer at the end. Okay, I like what I'm seeing for now, and I will do some racking through here. And that's it, probably. Maybe I want to kind of slide with this like that, because I will tilt kind of in a landscape mode. How can I say that? Okay, so let's see what is going on here. I will grab a corner catcher. And I will tilt this up. Okey-doke. Go down to that corner. Okay. I'll check the corners before I will tilt more. And then I will walk. Okay, now I will go over the side here and here, and I will adjust this at the end, so don't worry. I'm just trying to see what is going on. I want some white here because I don't want to tilt all of this part off. I don't even know if I'm in frame. But it's okay. Okay. And now I will walk again. Come to the middle first, and then I will walk and try to see what I want to tilt off. I want to tilt this part off definitely. I think I'm good. I will just do one spin and then torch because I have pearl white and maybe something will pop through. Okay, I'm done. Like it. So let me take you down on this tropical island. Okay. I kind of have this tropical island feel. Maybe the only thing I would love to tilt a little bit this part maybe off. But I'm afraid that I will ruin. Let's do another spin. So my tropical island painting is dry. I really love the sky part. I really do, because of, you know, paints kind of collide or crash together in a way that they create kind of a shadowing look. And here I started with more, you know, closer pour. And there are some tropical kind of vibes in there on the bottom. And that gold, you know, shines. And I have something, but yeah, I can resin it and it will go away. I'm talking about this part. Yeah, pretty happy with this one. So yeah, it doesn't matter how close you pour. You see the different effects when you pour from up high and from up close. So I think that I love this technique because it's kind of both worlds in one painting live together, chaos and kind of intentional order, or how can I say? Yeah. Tell me what you think about it and see you again on the next one. Bye.